Friends, colleagues, fellow humans, we're all navigating this incredible, messy, and sometimes overwhelming journey we call life. And if there's one thing that's absolutely guaranteed on this journey, it's that we're going to face bumps in the road. We will stumble, we will fall, and sometimes it might feel like the whole world is crashing down around us. But what happens next? What happens after the fall? Do we stay down, defeated, letting the challenges define us? Or do we rise? Do we dust ourselves off, learn from the experience, and keep moving forward, stronger and wiser than before? That, my friends, is the essence of resilience. Now, when we talk about resilience, some might picture a superhero, someone immune to pain and hardship. But let me tell you, resilience isn't about being invincible. It's not about avoiding falls altogether. Think of a mighty tree in the midst of a storm. The wind howls, the rain lashes down, and the tree bends, it sways, it might even lose a few leaves. But does it break? Number, it endures. It adapts. It stands tall once more when the storm passes. That, my friends, is true resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity. But it's so much more than just bouncing back to where we were before. It's about bouncing back stronger. It's about using challenges as opportunities for growth, for learning, for transformation. It's about not just surviving, but thriving, even in the face of difficulty. Why is resilience so crucial, especially today? Look around us. Our world is fast-paced, ever-changing, and often unpredictable. We face personal challenges, professional setbacks, global uncertainties. Life throws curveballs. And without resilience, we can easily feel overwhelmed, defeated, and lose our way. But with resilience, everything changes. Resilience allows us to navigate those turbulent waters, to climb those steep mountains, to face our fears head on. It empowers us to turn setbacks into comebacks, failures into fuel, and obstacles into opportunities. So, how do we cultivate this superpower of resilience within ourselves? How do we become more like that unyielding tree, bending but not breaking? Well, it's not magic. It's a skill, a muscle that we can build and strengthen over time. And here are a few ways we can do just that. Embrace a growth mindset. Believe in your ability to learn and grow from challenges. See setbacks not as signs of failure, but as lessons in disguise. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," ask yourself, "How can I learn to do this?" Build a strong support network. Surround yourself with people who believe in you, who lift you up, who offer a shoulder to lean on when times get tough. Talk to them, share your struggles, and let them remind you of your strength. Practice self-care. Resilience isn't about being tough all the time. It's about taking care of yourself, your physical health, your mental well-being, your emotional needs. Eat well, exercise, get enough sleep, meditate, spend time in nature, do things that bring you joy and recharge your batteries. Learn from setbacks. When you face a challenge, don't just try to forget about it and move on. Take time to reflect. What can you learn from this experience? What did you do well? What could you have done differently? Turn every setback into a valuable learning opportunity. Cultivate optimism. Resilience and optimism go hand in hand. Focus on the good, even in tough times. Believe in your ability to overcome challenges and create a brighter future. Practice gratitude. Remind yourself of your strengths and past successes. Think about some incredibly resilient individuals throughout history. Nelson Mandela, who spent 27 years in prison for fighting for justice, emerged not broken, but stronger, becoming a symbol of forgiveness and reconciliation. Malala Yousafzai, who faced unimaginable violence and yet became a global advocate for education. These are not just extraordinary figures. They are examples of the extraordinary resilience that lies within the human spirit. And guess what? That same spirit lies within each and every one of us. Resilience is not a destination, it's a journey. It's not about never falling, it's about always getting back up. It's about facing life's storms with courage, with strength, and with unwavering hope. So, let's commit to building our resilience day by day, challenge by challenge. Let's embrace the art of bouncing back stronger than ever. Let's face the future not with fear, but with fierce resilience, knowing that we have the power within us to overcome anything life throws our way. Thank you.